Hello everyone. Once again, I am here with you. Uh, Yesterday, I have explained you about the constellation. So the question is, what is constellation? A constellation is a group of stars that appear to form some recognizable pattern or shape in the sky. And the examples of the constellation are that is the Ursa Major. You can see during the spring season, and this is also known as Great Bear. Okay, and Orion, that is visible in winter. So these are the Ursa Minor, that is visible in spring, and Cassiopeia, that is visible in the autumn, and one more, that is Scorpius. You can see that in summer evening. Okay, now see here, come to the pole star. See this, these are the diagrams of the constellation. You have to draw these diagrams. Okay, and now come to the pole star. Pole star or a Dhruv Tara is a special star present in the northern hemisphere. This star, unlike other stars, appear to remain fixed at one place. Why? Because it lies along the axis of the rotation of the earth. Okay, so due to this special feature, this star has been useful to travelers, and it defines north direction. Which direction? North direction. Okay, now see this is the direction of the pole star. You can see here, see this is here, sorry, here, see this is the pole star. Okay, it lies along the axis of rotation. Okay, this is the axis of rotation, so it lies along the axis of rotation, and due to this region, travelers use this to recognize the direction. Okay, and this star recognize the north direction. Okay, which direction? North direction. So I think clear to you, everything is clear to you now about the pole star. No confusion is there in the pole star. Okay, so this is the pole star along the axis of rotation. Okay, now move to the identifying. The next topic is the how you could identify the planets and stars in the night sky. So how? See this, these are the 3 points. That means number 1 is the planet is closer to us than the stars, and that is why planet appear like tiny disk. What? Like tiny disk. Planets appear like tiny disk, whereas stars appear as points. What? Points. Okay, so in this way you can recognize planet and star. Now second is the stars appear to twinkle but planets do not twinkle. See this, stars appear to twinkle but planet do not twinkle. See this, do not twinkle and this twinkle. Okay, so you can recognize that planets appear to twinkle, stars appear to twinkle but planets do not twinkle. Okay, now move to the third point. Third point is the stars do not appear to change their relative position with each other. Do not appear to change their relative position with each other. Okay, but planets change their relative position respect to each other. But planets change their respective position to each other. Okay, see here. Planets change their respective position with respect to each other. Okay, so they appear to move against the background stars, and this is the reason in the ancient time. Do you know what do you call ancient point in ancient time? People named planet as wandering star. What? Wandering star. Okay, planets as wandering star. Okay, so this is about the planets and the differences between planets and the stars. Now come to the changing night sky. See this. As you know that stars do not appear to move with respect to each other in the sky, but if one closely observes some bright star for an hour, then what will happen? You will see that there is a slight shift in the position of the stars in the sky. So stars like the sun appear to move from east to west. What will you see? That a star will move from east to west. Okay. But do you know why this happened? This is due to the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east. What? Rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east, just like sun. Okay. That means you see the sun. You see the sun in the morning in the east and in the evening in the west. But do you know why this happened? This is due to the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east. Similarly, you can see the movement of the stars from east to west, and the region is only the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east. Okay, that's all for today. Now you will learn the keywords. You will note down the keywords. You will start to write the question answer after the keywords that I will give you in the next class. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.